Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're just going to see how to repost your old Instagram post on your Instagram. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe and below. We just quickly move on to the video. How to repost your own post, your own old post or your own post on your Instagram account. Just going to show in this video. For that, for example, I just can choose any post. So this I just going to choose this post. So now you have this option called repost option. Click on this. Now you can see the repost has been posted, has the enabled, and now you can see just going to repost this post. So you just refresh it and just go to repost option. You can see I have reposted my two old posts. So this is how you can just repost your old post or your own post on your Instagram account. Just click on the post you just need it and just click on the repost option. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with this super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Maybe Unique. Have a wonderful day.